Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today I'm making bay leaf and ground ginger tea to cleanse your immune system and to boost heart health. So guys, I'm going to add all my ingredients into my teacup and add some hot water. Ginger helps boost the immune system. I'm going to also promote weight loss. Bay leaves help with the respiratory system and can also help with diarrhea. I'm now going to add my boiling hot water. I'll give it a quick stir. I'm not going to let this tea to brew for too long, just like 2 minutes like this, as it's good to drink this tea hot. Let me know in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, bye guys.